Most websites publish blog posts randomly. One week it's an article about SEO. The next week it's a marketing tip, then a random tutorial. The problem is that search engines and readers both struggle to understand what your site actually specializes in. And when that happens, your content usually struggles to rank. That's where a content hub comes in. A content hub is a structured way to organize your articles so that related content connects together. So instead of publishing scattered posts, you build clusters of content around specific topics. Search engines understand your expertise better, and readers can easily move from one article to another. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an SEO content hub on Squarespace, including how to structure your topics, how to use Squarespace categories and tags, how to create clean URLs, and how to build internal links that strengthen your SEO. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and grow it online. Let's start with the structure behind a content hub. Understanding the hub and spoke model. So a content hub is often built using something called the hub and spoke model. Think of it like a wheel. At the center is the hub, which is a broad guide covering a major topic. And surrounding it are spokes, which are supporting articles that go deeper into specific subtopics. For example, if your site focuses on running gear, your hub topic might be running shoes. And the supporting articles could include things like best running shoes for beginners, trail running shoes versus road running shoes, how to choose the right running shoe size, running shoe cushioning explained. Each of these articles links back to the main hub topic, and the hub links to all the supporting content. This creates a network of related articles that reinforces your authority on that topic. Now let's look at how to actually build this structure inside of Squarespace. First things first, if you want to get started with Squarespace, we've got a link for you down in the description below. Now you can go ahead and get started with Squarespace by using that link with a free trial, and after you go ahead and are ready to go ahead and get on a paid plan, just be sure to use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. That code will go ahead and save you 36% annually. Step 1, create a blog collection. First thing you need is a blog collection. In Squarespace, your blog acts as the container for all your content. To create one, go to your Squarespace dashboard and click Pages. Then click the plus icon and add a blog page. This creates the main location where your posts will live. Your blog page might appear at a URL like example.com/blog. Every article that you publish will live inside this blog collection. Once the blog is created, the next step is organizing your topics. Step 2, use categories for your main topics. Squarespace allows you to assign categories to blog posts. Categories should represent your main content themes. For example, a fitness site might use categories like running shoes, training tips, nutrition, injury prevention. When you assign a category to a post, Squarespace automatically generates a category archive page. That page shows all the posts within that category. For example, if you create a category called running shoes, Squarespace automatically generates a page that lists every article assigned to that category. This archive page essentially becomes the hub page for that topic. So instead of creating manual category pages, you simply assign categories and let Squarespace generate the archive automatically. This keeps your structure clean and easy to manage. Step 3, use tags for subtopics. Squarespace doesn't support hierarchical categories like some CMS platforms do. Instead, you can use tags to organize more specific topics. Think of categories as your big themes and tags as the smaller subtopics. For example, category equals running shoes. Some tags might include trail running, road running, marathon training, minimalist shoes. Tags allow readers to filter content more precisely, and they help you group smaller articles together. This approach keeps your structure simple while still allowing you to organize a large amount of content. Step 4, plan your content topics. Before publishing a lot of content, it helps to plan your hub structure. Start by identifying your core topics. These should be broad areas where you want your website to build authority. For example, if your site focuses on photography, your main hubs might be camera gear, editing techniques, photography tutorials, lighting tips. Then brainstorm the supporting articles that belong under each topic. For example, under camera gear, you might write posts like best beginner cameras, mirrorless versus DSLR, best lenses for portraits, travel photography gear guide. Each supporting article should connect back to the main topic. This structured approach helps both readers and search engines understand how your content fits together. Step 5, create clean URLs. A clean URL helps users understand what a page is about before they even click it. In Squarespace, each blog post automatically generates a URL based on the post title. For example, a post title best running shoes for beginners might generate a URL like example.com/blog/best-running-shoes- for -beginners. You can edit the URL slug inside the post settings. Good URLs should be short, descriptive, easy to read. Avoid adding unnecessary words, numbers, or special characters. Use hyphens between words rather than underscores. Clean URLs make your links easier to share and easier for search engines to understand. Step 6, build internal links between articles. Internal linking is one of the most important parts of a content hub. When one article links to another article on your site, it helps your readers explore related content. It also helps search engines understand how your pages relate to each other. Whenever you publish a new article, look for opportunities to link to other relevant posts. For example, if you write an article about trail running shoes, you might link to other articles, such as how to choose running shoes, injury prevention for runners, running shoe cushioning explained. Use descriptive text for your links. Instead of writing "click here," link using phrases that describe the content. For example, learn how to choose the right running shoes. This helps both readers and search engines understand what the link page is about. Over time, these internal links create a strong network of related content. Step 7, link supporting articles back to the hub. So the hub page should act as the central guide for that topic. Every supporting article should link back to it. For example, if your category hub is running shoes, each supporting article should reference that category page somewhere in the content. This creates a clear hierarchy where the hub page becomes the main authority for that topic. At the same time, the hub page should link to all of its supporting articles. This two-way linking strengthens the structure of your content hub. Step 8, structure your articles for readability. A well-organized article keeps readers engaged longer. So use headings to break your content into sections. For example, instead of writing one long block of text, use clear headings like choosing the right fit, cushioning and comfort, durability and materials. Headings help readers scan the content quickly and find the information they need. They also help search engines understand the structure of your page. Lists and short paragraphs also improve readability. If your content is easier to read, visitors are more likely to stay longer and explore additional articles. Step 9, keep your content hub updated. A successful content hub grows over time. Every few months, review your content to see what can be improved. Update older posts with new examples, updated statistics, additional internal links. If you find two posts covering nearly the same topic, consider combining them into one stronger article. Keeping your content updated shows search engines that your site is actively maintained. It also ensures readers always get the most helpful information. Step 10, track your content performance. Once your content hub is growing, it's important to track how people interact with it. Analytics tools can help you see which pages get the most traffic, how long visitors stay on each article, which internal links people click. If one topic attracts a lot of traffic, it may be worth expanding that hub with more supporting articles. If another topic gets little engagement, you may need to improve the content or strengthen the internal links. Tracking performance helps to identify opportunities to grow your content strategy. So building a Squarespace SEO content hub isn't about publishing as many blog posts as possible. It's about creating organized, connected content around your topics that your audience cares about. Start by defining your main categories. Use tags to organize subtopics. Write supporting articles that connect back to your core themes, and link everything together with clear internal links. Over time, this structure turns your blog into a powerful resource for readers and a clear signal of expertise for search engines. So if you want to get started with Squarespace, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.